how brutal, how cruel, hideous. Kita mo, balatan ang muka, buksan ang katawan, magdito, mag-akyat ng bahay, pag-alis mo, you are not comfortable. Baka yung asawa mo, if she works for just in the house, baka akyatin, rapin, tapos yung bata mo, may 4 years old ka, isali, pati anak mo. Kasi pag tingin mo nga, sige ka tingin sa bahay mo. Sabi ko, kung ganun lang naman, if you destroy my country and you force my children to eat drugs, tangina, I will kill you.